kung sino yon. We are not living in a cave naman eh. Wala kami sa kuweba eh. O, nasa TV, nasa lahat. Ay yung mga nakusa na yun, umawit pa sa aquarium, nagsosolo pa yun. Pero manarip na ang saya-saya. At 7 years, babalik-balik ka.
Balik-balik nila sa, sa rapist. Na napakano sila. Pinagpala naman.
So what is your short in final message to there?
Ay, sa nag-akusa.
Yes.
Ay, wala na kaming ibang message. Actually, hindi na namin gusto na makarating sa ganitong punto. But they are the one who throw the first stone. So na yun, kami magdidepensa kay pastor. Na dapat malalaman talaga ng both sides of the story. At kung gusto nila if they want justice, then bring it to the court. That's the right place for them to receive justice.
That's all.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.